When you work with SolidWorks, you may find yourself constantly using the same sketching tools repeatedly. Like you are using line and circle tool again and again, and you click on Command in Command Manager. In this way, you are wasting your time in general. The mouse gestures and S-key tools can be customized to help speed up the application of repetitive tools. So, this video is about mouse gestures and S-key. To learn more about engineering design and SolidWorks, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. First I shall explain mouse gestures. Mouse gestures is a SolidWorks feature that enables you to work faster. There are some commands you are using mostly are linked to the movement of the mouse, so that you can activate these commands by simply moving the mouse. This is the default mouse gesture settings for the sketch commands. 4 tools are shown on the wheel: Smart Dimension, Circle, Line, and Corner Rectangle. These are the default tools settings. Up to 8 tools can be added to the mouse gesture wheel. Mouse gestures are different for part, assembly and drawing. You have to choose tools separately for each drawing mode. So the other thing is how to use mouse gestures. Hold the right mouse button. Move the mouse slightly to the left. Still holding the right mouse button down, move the cursor onto the desired tool. The selected tool will activate. To access the mouse gestures settings, click the Tools heading at the top of the screen. Click the Customize option. The Customize dialog box will appear. Click the Mouse Gestures tab. Click the box next to show only commands with mouse gestures assigned. The far right column with the sketch heading shows the 4 default mouse gestures and the mouse motion needed to activate the tools. For example, a mouse motion to the left activates the Line tool. If you click the 8 gestures button, the 8 default mouse gestures settings will appear. How to change mouse gestures? The mouse gestures settings can be changed. Remove the check mark from the Show Only Commands with Mouse Gestures assigned box. Scroll down to the Sketch Entities tools. Say we wish to change the mouse's left motion to activate the Corner Rectangle tool instead of the Line tool. Click the arrowhead on the right of the Corner Rectangle command line. Scroll and click the left mouse motion icon. The left mouse motion button will appear on the Corner Rectangle line. Click OK. When you assign the left mouse motion to the Corner Rectangle tool, the left mouse motion will be removed from the Line tool. If you want to have the Line tool as one of the mouse gestures, you must assign the Line tool to another mouse gesture. To watch our more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Here you can learn SolidWorks from beginning to expert level as much short time as possible. Thanks for watching.